Hello friends, I'm Cute Cami. If you've been thinking about how to make a lot of money without leaving home, then I understand you 100%. A few years ago, I faced this question myself and decided to look for ways to earn money that do not require huge investments or a lot of time. Fate led me to trading as an easy way to earn money, which I have been doing for many years and successfully earn large sums. In this video, I will tell you about my new strategy and how it helped me achieve success on trading platform. By the way, in my Telegram channel, I offer free consultation as well as share signals and bonuses. Join us to keep up to date with all the news and features. Today, I will tell you about my 100% working profitable trading strategy. It is based on two simple indicators and a 1-minute time interval of transactions. These are the key points. Since we will work on a fast chart, we will talk about two of my favorite indicators, envelopes and CCI. They will help us determine the direction of the chart reversal today. Using these tools, I was able to earn $791 with an initial capital of $120. And now I will show you how. In order for your strategy to work, you need to set the same settings as mine. First, we put type candles in the chart, set time frames for 30 minutes. Then, turn on two indicators, CCI and envelopes. You can see the settings of these indicators on the screen. We set the AUDCHF currency pair. The transaction time is 1 minute. Now, let's move on to transactions. Our first trade will be in the amount of $120. I look at the chart and see a downtrend, and on the indicators the line has crossed the middle border and is moving to the bottom. These are our signals for a decrease, and therefore I open a deal specifically for a decrease. Yes, the first transaction was completed successfully and my balance is $230. Let's move on. It's time for the second trade. I'm also analyzing the chart and I see a pullback of a bullish candle. A bearish candle begins to emerge. The indicator line has also broken through the middle edge and is moving down. These are our signals for a decline. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable trading platform, I recommend paying attention to Pocket option. Here I found fast withdrawals, transparent transactions, and good profits. I trust this platform and I'm confident in its reliability. Also, join my Telegram channel to receive bonuses and up-to-date information for successful trading. Good result! My balance has already grown to $442 and I haven't finished yet. The situation on the chart is difficult, but the indicators will help us. They show a slight decline, indicating the beginning of a downward pullback. I choose a trade time of 1 minute and open a position for a decrease of $380. With my current balance, $791 is a great result. The strategy is really effective and simple, and I recommend it to anyone who wants to increase their balance. Do you also want to earn money? I'm ready to share my strategies. Please like and follow my strategies. If you still have doubts, just check out the reviews of my subscribers in the Telegram channel. It's that simple. Check for yourself by clicking on the link in the description and join me. Let's make money trading together. I'm always ready to help you and share my strategies. See you soon in my Telegram channel. Bye bye.